Imagine your heart stopped beating right now. What would happen next?
Everything begins the instant your heart stops pumping blood. Without a heartbeat, blood can no longer carry oxygen through your body.
Your brain is the first major organ to feel the effects. Within seconds, brain cells begin running out of oxygen. As oxygen disappears, consciousness quickly fades away. Without energy, the cell can no longer perform the work that keeps it alive. The electrical signals inside your brain begin disappearing almost immediately. And this is only the beginning. Every organ in your body is about to follow its own timeline. Your lungs still contain air, but they can no longer deliver oxygen to your body.
The oxygen trapped inside your lungs is quickly used up.
Without blood circulation, that oxygen has nowhere to go. The brain continues shutting down as its oxygen supply disappears.
One by one, neurons stop communicating with each other.
Conscious awareness has now completely disappeared. Muscle cells are also beginning to run out of energy. Without energy, muscles slowly lose the ability to relax.
But these are only the earliest changes. Inside your body, many more remarkable processes are just beginning. Next, one of your hardest working organs begins to change, the liver. Like every organ, the liver depends on a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood. Once that supply ends, liver cells slowly begin running out of energy.
Without energy, even healthy cells can no longer function normally. The liver is only one example. The same process is happening throughout the body.
Your kidneys also begin losing their ability to work.
Without circulation, the kidneys can no longer filter your blood.
The microscopic filters inside each kidney simply stop working. Digestion comes to a complete stop, because every system in the body now lacks the energy to continue.
But something inside your intestines is still very much alive.
Trillions of bacteria that help digest your food remain inside your gut.
Unlike your organs, these bacteria don't die the moment you do.
As your cells stop defending themselves, those bacteria begin spreading beyond the intestines. They gradually move into tissues that were once protected by your immune system.
With no immune response left, the bacteria reproduce freely.
As they feed, the bacteria naturally produce gases as part of the process. Those gases slowly begin collecting inside the body. Over time, the pressure inside the body gradually increases. These changes are completely natural and mark the beginning of the body's decomposition process.
As bacteria continue multiplying, the changes inside your body become more noticeable.
The bacteria gradually break down tissues that your body can no longer repair. Cell membranes slowly lose their integrity, allowing decomposition to continue. Muscle tissue also begins to break down as time passes. The proteins that once gave muscles their strength slowly begin to deteriorate. From the outside, many of these changes are still impossible to see.
Most of the activity is happening deep inside the body.
Nature has already begun recycling the materials that once kept you alive.
Every new generation of bacteria accelerates the decomposition process.
By now, nearly every major organ has entered the same natural cycle of breakdown and renewal. While soft tissues gradually disappear, your skeleton remains for much longer. Bones are built from strong minerals that resist decomposition far better than soft tissue. Their dense mineral structure allows them to survive long after other organs have disappeared. As the soft tissues continue breaking down, the skeleton becomes increasingly exposed. At this stage, bones become the most recognizable part of the body. Even bones continue changing as they interact with the surrounding environment. Over many years, natural weathering slowly begins affecting the skeleton as well.
Minerals gradually leave the bone, making it weaker over time.
Eventually, even the strongest parts of the human body begin returning to nature. In the end, every part of the body follows the same universal cycle, becoming part of nature once again.
But the story doesn't truly end when the body disappears. The elements that once formed your body simply become part of the earth again. Those same atoms remain, even though the body itself is gone. Some of those elements may eventually be absorbed by new plants.
Nature continuously recycles the materials that make every living thing. The same atoms can become part of entirely new forms of life. Nothing in nature is truly wasted. Everything becomes part of another cycle. In that sense, the end of one life helps support countless others. Your body changes form, but the matter it was made from never truly disappears.
It's simply recycled, again and again, through the endless systems of nature.
Every organ follows its own timeline, but together they tell one remarkable story.
Death isn't a single moment. It's a carefully ordered biological process.
Every change happens for a scientific reason, following the same natural laws that govern all living things.
The cycle you've just seen has happened to every human who has ever lived. Understanding what happens after death helps us better understand how extraordinary life truly is. Science allows us to explore these questions with curiosity instead of fear. What surprised you the most about the body's final journey? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this journey through the human body, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fascinating science.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next exploration of the incredible world of science.